Whispers, you find out anything?
Well, for now, you know, some loan people you borrow some money from. But some undercover people are running it.
So the youth will take him where? What wanna do with him?
Well, if him palm I agree with them.
What you mean?
No, boss. I'm alright, man. We just rough him up little and knock him out.
Oh, I need no blood pan our and right about now. So you not get no information who him a work for?
Well, the year say he's a big man, you know. Maybe all a police too. But we're not sure and I'm not solid info.
Brother, you look like him find himself in some serious money problems. The youth not see on the face.
Bossy, I must say you're better than that. Remember how we used to sleep fully mass, right up.
I have to go do some investigation myself and find out who might mix up with. This not sound safe at all. You find out the loan company?
Easy go loan company.
Hear what whispers. Go on back down at town. Stop back the start. Oh. Keep your eye on the bank there. Because the police them now walk up and down enough around the area there. So we are the protector around this.
Alright,
Keep
boss.
safe.
Fix it.
Yeah.
Hello?
Mike,
Yeah, Andrew?
we need to talk urgently. Meet me at the spot here.
Alright, okay.